Hello, good morning students, class 12th students. Last 3 days we sent 3 videos, and in that videos we discussed about the process of pollination, types of pollination, and today we are going to discuss about the new thing about it, that is the approximately last part of sexual reproduction in plants. So, what is our previous knowledge? We know what is pollen grain, we know what is embryo sac, we know what is pollination, and in yesterday class we discussed how pollen and stigma interact to each other and how pollen grain germinate. So, for your previous knowledge, again I am drawing the diagram of pollen grain. You know this is exine, intine, and it is vegetative cell, and you can write pollen grain. Then embryo sac also we studied, that was also known as 7 cell 8 nucleus stage. So these were the cells, we shall discuss it again. Okay, so it is embryo sac, and where it is present, this embryo sac is present inside the ovule. So this ovule has two sides. This is chalazial side and it was micropyle end. So in micropyle end 3 cells are there, in chalazial end 3 cells are there. These cells are called as antipodal, and this central cell और इस सेंट्रल सेल में 2 न्यूक्लियाई हैं, इन्हें हम बोलते हैं पोलर न्यूक्लियाई. At the bottom, that means in the micropyle end, there are 3 cells. The middle one is actually egg cell, and these two are synergids. So in this way we discuss the structure of these both the gametes. It is male gamete, it is female gamete. It's male part, it is female part. Today we are going to see how this male gamete fuses with the female gamete inside the ovary. So stigma and all that we drawn in the previous video also. So here suppose it is pollen grain, it was germinated, and through the pollen tube both the nuclei of pollen were reaching to ovule. If you remember the structure of ovule, it is connected to ovary wall, and this is what? Nothing but same thing we drawn here. This is the same structure which is present here, right? Okay. Now through this pollen tube, male gametes are entering to ovule. So let us see how they are fusing. So 2 gametes are here. So okay. So again, so these are antipodal, this is polar nuclei, this is egg cell, and these are synergid. So pollen tube reached up to here. With the pollen tube, 2 male nuclei are also present. Okay. But the question is that what is the need of 2 male nuclei for the plants? So here you shall get the answer. Okay. So these all are cells. This is polar nuclei. This is egg cell. So new term is introduced here in your book, that is filiform apparatus. So what is filiform apparatus? So these two cells which you are seeing, they are called as synergid. They don't have much more role in reproduction, but they guide these two male gametes towards the egg cell and towards the PN. So after some time these cells become the pathway, रास्ता बनाती हैं किसके लिए, इसके लिए. So first nuclei is coming and through the filiform apparatus this nuclei reached to egg. So it was N and this is also N. So what will happen? N plus N, it becomes 2N. So this process is called as fertilization. Okay. Then second nuclei also transport through these filiform apparatus and it is guided to be here. So here again N already was there and another third one is coming. It is also N. So what will happen? N plus N plus N. So it becomes 3N. And when it becomes 3N, it becomes एंडोस्पर्म या शॉर्ट में लिखते हैं प्राइमरी एंडोस्पर्म न्यूक्लियाई which is 3N. Shortly you can write PEN. So how many times fusion is taking place? This is also fertilization, this is also fertilization. So due to the mixing of two male gametes, one with egg cell, another with polar nuclei, it is called as, new terminology, it is double fertilization, because two male gametes are fusing, one with egg cell, another with PEN, means polar nuclei. So it is double fertilization. And here how many are fused? 3 are fused. So another term is triple fusion. So this is only the event which differ the angiosperm plants from the gymnosperm plant. In gymnosperm plants also fertilization takes place, but double fertilization and triple fusion do not take place. So this is the identity of angiosperm or flowering plants. In this way, what will happen to this egg cell? This egg cell will change into zygote, and what will happen to this PN? This will change into endosperm. So this zygote will change into what? Zygote will change into embryo. And what is the use of this endosperm? Endosperm provides what? Nourishment. किसको नरिशमेंट देता है? जाइगोट को. सो दैट व्हाट इट कैन बिकम? इट कैन बिकम एम्ब्रियो. सो ओके, लेट्स समराइज दिस होल प्रोसेस, देन विल फिनिश. दिस इज pollen grain. It has 3 cells, one is vegetative, 2 are generative. This is the embryo sac, or you can say female gamete. It is having 8 nucleus, 7 cell stage, central cell having 2 nucleus. These are antipodal, and this is 2 synergid and 1 egg cell. After pollination, pollen germinates and both the nuclei through the pollen tube reaches to ovule. When they reach to the micropylar end, these 2 synergids, they provide the pathway. That pathway is called as filiform apparatus. Through that pathway, one male gamete reaching to the egg cell fertilizes it, and that N plus N becomes 2N. This is called as fertilization. Second male nuclei also goes to the central cell through the filiform apparatus, and here what is this? N plus N plus N. Already 2N was previously, N plus N plus N, so it becomes 3N. So it is called as triple fusion. This is triple fusion, and both places are fusing with male gametes, so it is double fertilization. This is the identity of angiosperm plants. Okay. Now what is the future of egg cell? So this egg cell, after becoming zygote, it changes into embryo, but for becoming from zygote to embryo, it requires nourishment. So who is giving nourishment? This central cell, which is changed into endosperm, it provides the nourishment, and finally embryo is formed, and this embryo is nothing but a new plant. So in this way, here the reproduction process in angiosperm plants is completed. In the next video we shall see what happens to ovule, what happens to ovary wall, and what happens to stamen, stigma and style. Okay, take care. Thank you.